In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to print and get the boarding pass online from KLM Airlines. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your App Store or Google Play. From here, you'll need to go down to the search bar and go up to the search bar again and click in KML. From here, you'll need to click on KML and find KML Book a Flight. From here, you'll need to download it or open it like so. From here, it should look something like this. And here, you'll have the option to either sign in or register for an account if you want to do that. This is optional. But from here, you need to go down to the menu and click on My Trips. From here, you'll see Book a Flight, but that is not what we want to do. We'll want to get the boarding pass. And to do that, you need to click on this plus icon up on the right-hand side, right here. From here, you can click in the booking code or a ticket number and your last name that you're registered your trip in. From here, you can click Add Booking, and then you'll get your boarding pass and every other information that is relevant for you to get a comfortable flight. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!